Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can achieve this cute subtle brownish kind of makeup look. So if you're a beginner then this is the perfect video for you guys क्योंकि आज मैं बहुत ही लाइट मेकअप करने वाली हूँ, मैं कुछ हेवी मेकअप नहीं करने वाली हूँ एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी इजी फॉलो प्रोसेस विच यू कैन ऑल्सो follow up side by side as I do my makeup. So if you're interested in this makeup look, make sure you watch it till the end and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yeah, now let's begin. Guys, I'm starting off with moisturizing my face first. Second, I'm going to moisturize my lips. Okay, so now I'm not going to use any foundation for this look, only because I still have very acne prone skin and I don't want to put a lot of stuff on my face. So this time I'm going to use a concealer instead of foundation. Okay, so I'm going to use some concealer under my eyes over here and a tad bit over here and here. So yeah, there's that. Just a bit. So now I'm just going to use this mini beauty blender and kind of dab on it. So this is a no foundation look. So it's going to be light base. I think this makeup look is perfect for beginners. So the reason why I'm putting this on my acne is because they are a bit red. So this will just cover the redness and I don't think so it will cover the acne completely, but it will cover the redness. So you can also use a lighter shade to kind of highlight your under eye area. So I'm going to use this just under my eyes. This will just brighten my under eye area. So now let's do our eyebrows first. It's super basic, nothing fancy. So the one thing that I do in my eyebrow routine is actually take some mascara and get all the excess stuff out and just like kind of go over my eyebrows with this product once. So let me just show you. Now you can see how full my eyebrows actually look. Okay, so now let's jump to the eyes, which is like my favorite part. So let's start with a very transition shade. So I'm just gonna lightly kind of glide this shade over my crease area. It's a very nice creamish tone shade. So once you're done with that, I'm just gonna use this shade right here. And just dab it over here like on my eyelid. Okay, so now to give it a more of a festive vibe, I'm going to use some glitter. I'm just gonna kind of blend it a bit. So now I'm just taking the same shade, brown shade, and kind of lining my waterline. So now I'm just use mascara. So since I'm not applying any foundation as such, I'm just gonna take a compact and kind of, go over my face once. Since I'm not gonna go and apply eyeliner for this look, I'm just gonna take a kajal and lightly line my eyes and blend it out a bit so that it gives a smoky effect. Wow. So this is what it looks like without blending, but now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. So this is what it looks like after I've blended. So I'm just gonna go ahead and contour and highlight. So before highlighting my face, I'm just going to go ahead and use some blush. But since it's a very, nudish kind of look, very brown, so I don't want to use the regular pink blush. I'm just going to go and use this lip shade of mine and lightly dab it on my cheeks. And this will just work as a blush. So this is what it looks like after I've properly blended it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight. So I'm just going to use the same shade for my lips. So guys, this was about it for this look. I'm just going to go change and come. This was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope आप अच्छे से follow कर पाए इसको. And yeah, that's about it. Keep on watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.